Music moves our soul. Music connects us to our essence, inspiring, rejuvenating, giving new life when we need it most. Sound has incredible power to give energy, to relax, to heal. Sound is the medicine of the future, and now we are exploring this vision in action. My name is Lola Lamo. I founded Sound Energy Medicine Practitioners Association in 2013, observing powerful impact sound therapy has on my patients and truly miraculous cases of healing. Association has been created with a mission to bring more awareness about the healing power of sound and vibration, and to provide unique platform for integral education in sound therapy. Our activity is dedicated to offering education in sound energy medicine, merging ancient knowledge and latest scientific research, uniting sound therapists, sharing latest publications on sound healing, organizing public events, yoga, mindfulness and sound retreats, and facilitating scientific studies. We have over 200 graduates around the world which integrate sound therapy to hospitals, hospices, charity organizations for children, elderly, disabled and military, to centers for post-traumatic support, to yoga and meditation classes, Reiki, and other massage therapy for healing and well-being of community. We hold certified sound therapy courses monthly in London and by request around the world. It takes just 2 days to complete level 1 course, which gives you necessary skills to become certified sound therapist and start integrating sound healing with singing bowls. On level 1 we learn the foundations of energy healing and sound therapy, ancient yogic texts and science behind healing with vibration and sound, history of singing bowls and their significance in various cultures, techniques for self-healing, mindfulness and meditation, vibroacoustic sound energy massage with 1 or 2 bowls, and sound bath with 4 and 7 bowls for balancing 5 elements and energy centers or chakras. Level 2 is for those willing to dive deeper into harmonics and sacred geometry of sound, human being and the universe, the power of voice, and overtone chanting. We will be delighted to see you at our courses and retreats, and will be supporting you continually on your future journey as a sound therapist. Please explore also our science page dedicated to research on sound healing and see our reviews and case studies. It's of our great pleasure sharing sacred practices with you. We hope that you will be taken further this powerful knowledge to change other people's lives, bringing healing and happiness.